At Tri-Point, we're introducing a new approach to developing field production facilities, the Modular Production System. The Tri-Point MPS is an integrated system that leverages our quality product line and turnkey services to help customers optimize surface facility layout, reduce installation time, generate capital expenditure savings, and increase quality and safety outcomes. An alternative to traditional stick-built construction, the MPS is manufactured in a shop environment prior to well completion. Once the well site is ready, the portable skid-based design is easy to transport to site. With its plug-and-play capability and optimized small footprint, installation of the MPS takes just days, not months, which reduces cycle time to first oil. Compared to a traditional facility, the Tri-Point MPS offers numerous benefits. Modular skids on average cost less to design, fabricate, and install. An engineered-to-order facility allows operators to optimize a wider variety of applications with standardization and scalability. Manufacturing skids within a Tri-Point facility reduces field safety and environmental risks and limits exposure to weather delays. Modular skid design speeds up installation and eliminates the need to manage multiple field crews for weeks at a time. The plug-and-play capability provides customers with the flexibility needed for the life of the well. With an ever-increasing need to meet production targets sooner, our modular production system exemplifies the way Tri-Point can utilize its turnkey offerings to provide solutions for customers. Through the MPS alone, Tri-Point provides production and processing equipment, environmental control equipment, installation, hookup, and commissioning services, supply stores and supply trailers, and field services. Tri-Point, the total well site solutions provider.